Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious crumble muffins. They're light and fluffy and so amazing and I just know you'll love them. So let's get started.
For the crumble, I have 2/3 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give that a mix. Now I have 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to give this a mix until it's all combined and then pop it in the freezer while we make our muffins. For the muffins, I have 3/4 cup of sugar, a half a cup of melted butter. Give that a mix. 2 large eggs. Give that a mix. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 cup of buttermilk. Give that a mix. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a mix. I've got my muffin tin here. You want to portion your batter out evenly and then sprinkle your crumble on top. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees and I'm going to bake my muffins for 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And look at how they turned out.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.